Hello. In this video, we are going to see how to submit your abstract to the 4th Symposium of Termitology. The site of the symposium is here. So if you need more detailed information, please go to this site. First thing you need, of course, is the abstract, and please produce it in a TXT format. That means a text without formattation. So this is an example of an abstract. You should put in the first line the title of the abstract, and the second line the author, comma, and the affiliation. If you have more authors for this abstract, just put them here in this sequence: author, comma, affiliation. And then the text of the abstract itself. The text should not exceed 250 words. That means the text itself, you don't need to count the words in the title nor the words in the authors. Only the words of the text should add up 250 words. If you need formattation such as italics for species names, please use LaTeX standards. That is /textit, and then you put inside the brackets the thing you want to italicize. Okay, after you have produced this abstract in TXT format, then you access Zenodo. Zenodo is this site where we are gonna upload the abstract. Zenodo is a repository for scientific data and texts, and including papers, videos, data sets, whatever you want for scientific purposes. It is maintained by CERN. So if you want to know what's CERN, just click here. You need first to log in into the site. So click here, and then you have the login page. Put your username and this password and click here. If you don't have a username and password in Zenodo, just click and sign up and follow the instructions. It's free. On the other hand, if you have a username in ORCID, just click here and use that username and that's password. I'm going to use this, which is a username that I have already registered in Zenodo. Okay, I'm back to the page, but now my user is here. Okay, now I go to the communities link to find the Synterms community. Once here I type Synterms, and then just remember it gets a name here. Alright, then you get here the 4th Symposium of Termitology. Click on View, then you get to the page. Here you have a general explanation on the types of works we welcome in the symposium. If you need more information, click here. And here the curation policy. So what types of contributions are accepted. English is the preferred language for the abstracts, but you can also upload abstracts in Portuguese and Spanish. So go down here and then you find the upload button. That's that's where you should click to upload your abstract. Okay, then you get to here. In this area, you drag and drop that abstract you have produced in TXT format. So simply do that, and it's there. Okay. Now the text, the file is here. Remember to click Start Upload. Then when these numbers appear, it's because it's already accepted there. Okay, next step is to choose if you are going to produce, if you are going to present a poster or an oral presentation. Okay, so you either click here or here. I'm going to leave it here. In this region, you can put not only the abstract itself, but any other file that you feel it's necessary for your work, such as the slides for the presentation, or the poster itself, or anything else. All the material that goes in here will receive a digital object identifier, the DOI, which is that number that identifies scientific work all over the world. So that means your abstract becomes citable now, okay? And it's gonna have this number forever. So anything you put in here will go under this DOI identifier, which means that even if you put a data set or a slides of a presentation, you are guaranteeing your authorship, and also you are allowing this material to be cited. Okay, so this number will be given by the system automatically. The date is here, then the title. Go to the abstract and simply copy the title and paste it here. Here you put the authors, family name, comma, name, and the affiliation. If you have more authors for this abstract, just click here and new boxes appear and you simply fill them up. Okay. In the box of description, you put the text of the abstract itself. So copy and paste. Now some keywords to make your abstract discoverable. Any other keyword you need, just click here and more boxes will appear. Now you choose the access right. Zenodo and the Synterms recommend open access, because open access will allow anyone to see your work and cite it. If you use the other options, embargoed, restricted, or closed access, you only allow the user to see this part of your work, the description, but not the other things you've put in. These files here are completely hidden if you put embargoed access or so on. So visibility of your article, of your abstract, will be increased considerably if you use open access, and that's why we recommend you to use it. The license is already automatically chosen. The community is already automatically chosen because we've logged in it. Here in grants, it doesn't apply to all cases because this is for the European Commission financing bodies, and we don't have this here in Brazil, but no problem, because in your abstract you have already declared in the last line the source of funding, so you acknowledge them here. Okay, so the last part is to identify that your abstract belongs to the 4th Symposium of Termitology, whose acronym is Synterms, and it's gonna happen from 7 to 10 November 2017 in Viçosa, Minas Gerais, Brazil. Please remember to also put the Synterms website, because this helps your abstract to be connected to the symposium. And that's it. You're done. Just click Save. This green sign appears, meaning that everything went well. If something is wrong, you're gonna see a red sign here pointing to the place where you should check. So have a quick look here to see if everything is okay. The file is there, you've chosen the presentation, the title, the author is okay, the text itself is here, keywords are here, you've chosen open access, license, the community is okay, it's correct, and the identification of the conference is okay here. So you simply click on publish. After you click on publish, the system is going to give you the DOI number and automatically will send your abstract to the organizing committee. The committee will evaluate, and if anything has to be changed, the committee will contact you. Otherwise, you're going to be accepted straight away.